Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Cartier sunglasses, model CT0271s in color code 002. The color of the frame is gold, and the lenses are green. And these glasses are a rectangular shape. You'll also find the Cartier logo engraved on its top right lens. Its bridge is gold. The temples are gold, and the temple tips are Havana. And you'll find the Cartier logo engraved in gold on its temple tip. This is the inside of the frame. On its nose pads is the Cartier emblems in gold. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple, in gold, is the frames were made in France. It has the model number and the color code. On its inner left temple is the serial number and the Cartier logo in gold. The glasses also come with a Cartier box, a red Cartier gift box, a Cartier hard case with the Cartier logo in gold on the case, a Cartier booklet, a black Cartier cleaning cloth with the Cartier logo on the cloth, and a Cartier dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.